a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together,
today we're learning about probability, but first I gotta go.
Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my neighbor?
I don't know what just happened. How are you today? Me? I'm good. You know, it's a pretty wonderful day in the neighborhood. Anyway, today we're going to learn about probability. Now, what is probability? Let me check my notes. Probability is the extent to which an event is likely to occur. So, what does that mean? So basically, it's the possibility of something to happen using a ratio form. Now, how do we do that? Let me show you. Follow me! Oh, didn't see you there. I was just learning about some probability. Now, like I said, probability is basically the chance of something happening, so the chance of me getting a penny out of this handful of change, or the probability of a catchy theme song playing in my house. Anyway, come take a look.
Step number 1 for some probability. I want you to find some random objects around your house to do some probability problems with. You're probably asking yourself, where am I going to find some probability objects? Well, you can use things like markers, Monopoly money, real money, cookies, dice, Monopoly pieces I found under my couch, cereal. Sorry, I'm kind of hungry. I'm just going to grab some. Knickknacks I found in my couch. Water. Okay, maybe not water, it's liquid. I guess for right now we'll just use some money, you know. Keep it simple. Alright, so we have our coins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels. So I want to find out the probability of me picking up a dime if I randomly close my eyes and reach down. So how do we find that? Probability works as a fraction basically. The denominator is going to represent the number of likely possibilities, basically the total number of objects. And you can see we got 12 very shiny coins, or kind of shiny coins. So our denominator is going to be 12. Now for the numerator, we're going to do the number of possibilities that meet by condition. So that means what you want to pick up. That would be your dimes. So we have 4 dimes, so our numerator is going to be 4. So that's a 4 in 12 chance of picking a dime up out of this pile of coins. But of course we can simplify that into 2/6 and then simplify that again into 1/3. So there you go, you got the answer. There's a 1 in 3 chance of picking up a dime out of this pile of coins. Okay, let's make things a little more complicated with some more colors. So as you can see, we got my favorite rainbow cereal here, and we got a total of 12 pieces. Okay, 11 pieces. So I want to know the probability of either picking up an orange, red, or green one. So let's think about this. There's 11 total pieces. There's 3 green, 2 red, and 1 orange. I want to know the probability of me picking up either one of those. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means there's a 6 in 11 chance of picking up an orange, green, or red one. So as easy as that, you got probability down. Right now you're probably thinking to yourself, oh, when am I ever going to use probability in real life, you know? Well, let me show you this small clip of someone who didn't know how to use probability at their job.
Daniel? I don't like it. Get out of my office. You're fired.
Poor sap. Poor sap. Now let's look at it on the opposing end of someone who does know how to use probability.
Daniel? I like it. Good job, buddy.
So as you can see, probability is pretty important in any job you'll take. When comes a job, comes predictions, which comes to probability.
Not knowing probability makes as much sense as putting a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in your game system. Get in there. There we go.
Get out of my office.